Morning, sir.
Once again, good morning, and let me start my demo. For our ease of understanding, I will explain through slides. Power BI is graphical component. And BI information is visualized information. So I go through slides only. I'm not going to type one by one. So you will find in my classes depth of subject rather than very basics depth of subject. I don't want to waste my time and as well as your time by typing it. So whatever I'm explaining for the next 1 hour, that to type it will take a lot of time. Next. So kindly provide I request everyone kindly provide your email ID and mobile number in the chat room. Hoping offline people provided already. Next. This is my contact number. Call timing 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. and 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. For doubts, technical issues, career guidance. Recommended. After completing the demo, go through the given documents. So this is my request. Please go through the given documents after completing the demo. Again and again, we cannot discuss the same. I will start from basics. Demo 1, theoretical. Demo 2, practical. But both are informative. More information, you will find it. What I'm going to explain in the demos. First demo agenda. Introduction. Second, data to Power Platform. And nowadays it is Microsoft Fabric. Power Platform to Fabric. Evolution. Yeah, this is the part I'm going to explain. First demo agenda. Second demo agenda. A recap of first demo, 10 minutes. Practical of Power BI to show how easily we can work on, how beautifully we can generate insights. This is second demo. No need to write, I'll be sharing all these things. Right, first demo, introduction. So my name is Vinay and this is my contact number. I'm currently working in an organization. I'm not disclosing the name. And the current course duration 50 to 60 hours. Daily 1 hour is the class duration. Monday to Friday compulsory classes, Saturday based on your interest. But in the Saturdays I'm covering Power BI relevant subject, not Power BI content. Power BI subject to learning Monday to Friday. Saturday I will take some additional sessions. Whatever I'm taking on Saturday, that is those are additional sessions required to work in the real time. And they're not as part of Power BI. And monthly 2 Saturdays you are having classes. So 2 Saturdays off, Sunday as usual off. And what we provide? Daily live class video we will provide. And the access will be given till 1.5 years. 2 near real-time projects and multiple case studies will be provided. And solid theory and practical material also provided. This is what we provide. You all expecting the same thing we are providing. Sir, everyone will say the same thing. Are you providing? I will show you from the previous batch. And we will share all these things in a Google Drive. These are my current batches. And I will open 7 p.m. or any batch. At previous 7 p.m. I'm opening. This is previous 7 p.m. December batch. All videos in this folder. This is lab backup. And these are all materials and case studies. And this is a place where you find Power BI checklist with SQL topics, interview guidance. There's a checklist and videos. So day-wise you will find it. Day-wise video. And whatever I take on Saturday, they are in separate folders. On Saturdays, I usually take MSBA Tabular Cube class, Power Apps and report embedding, some Azure sessions, some complex tasks for interview, resume preparation, interview guidance, and GitHub washing, these kind of edition sessions on Saturdays, Saturday and weekend. These are day-wise videos, all the days. And you will also find the same thing. This is the first video, 1912. Second demo, 2012. 21st, demo overview. 22nd, account creation. 24th, maybe Sunday, 23rd, not explain. 24th, like this one by one. Day-wise video, you will find it. 1.5 year access will be given on the folder for your better learning, right? Next, prerequisite, none, nothing is required. Any graduate can learn Power BI, but if you're having knowledge in Excel or SQL, added advantage. Added advantage. It does not mean you need to start up first and then go to Power BI. But if you have knowledge on Excel or SQL, little advantage. Or else you can start freshly Power BI. An empty brain can do everything. So you can do it. Any graduate is eligible. What type of application it is? It is a GUI application. no coding. But instead of saying GUI, low code application, low code, not no, low code. And the current course is from basics to advanced. So 60 hours compulsory required. Sir, I don't have 60 hours time. I want to finish early. Possible. Fast track training is there from Wednesday morning 7:30. My colleague is taking, but that is a 1 month training. Daily 1.5 hours he will take, and 1 month fast track training. But fast track is fast track only. But you want to learn in detail all the components, complete subject you require, definitely the training is suitable. And first demo. Today is the first demo, theoretical demo. And tomorrow, second demo, practical demo. So this is the agenda I planned for the first demo. The tools, components, and concepts covered. Look at this. So I cannot type all these things. Even you can see this easily. I'm going to cover Power BI environment level. By learning Power BI, you're entering into warehousing environment and business intelligence environment, analytics environment. So first you need to know data warehousing fundamental, modeling fundamental. Second, how companies follow life cycle methodology, versioning, you learn it. Next, project environment and case study environment. And database, you may work with database in the real time. Power BI may get data from databases and present in the insights. So you need to have minimal knowledge in SQL. I will give you here 3 to 4 hours, but that is not sufficient. That is not sufficient. How do we connect to database? How do we bring the data? What are all the options available? Those I'm going to explain in the 3 to 4 hours. There are 9 topics which are required to work happily in the real time. I'm not telling complete SQL you need to be master, but 9 topics you should be master, or at least you're proficient. The checklist, in the checklist, I will provide the 9 topics, just follow it sufficient. So you may work with the database in the real time. Sir, what about classroom? Yeah, classroom level, we're going to discuss database, files, cube databases as well. Even unstructured data, files as well, unstructured files. And I will explain MSB and SSA's tabular queue for 2 hours. There is a better integration between Power BI and SSAS, and Microsoft recently given. From that day onwards, we are giving these classes freely. Compulsory, you need to have knowledge. Job trials, resume preparation, FAQs, mock interviews, these all we will provide. So this is about environment. Coming to Power BI having cloud, Power BI having on-premise. That means you can keep your reports, your data in Microsoft side, that is cloud. Or you want to keep the reports and dashboards in your system level or in your server level, that is on-premises. So Power BI providing cloud, Microsoft storage or local storage. And both the places components are different. So cloud level, Power BI desktop is the component we use. And this is cloud service. The desktop will do these operations: Power Query, Pivot, Power View, Map. And you know cloud already. Knowingly or unknowingly, you're taking your mobile backup into cloud. Samsung cloud, Apple cloud. So firstly, we will place in our mobile level. After a week or a month, we are moving to cloud. The same thing. In case you're not interested to keep coming to companies, if they're not interested to go for process in the on-premises level, because on-premises level headache will be there. Separate server setup required, physical maintenance area required, physical people required, and service maintenance people required, multiple people required. So people preferring nowadays cloud. Simply through URL, they are connecting to somewhere else and placing it and storing it. So Power BI providing both the ways. And 95% people going for cloud only. They're not maintaining any setups. This is one more reason why people love Power BI. But still 5% companies, they're going for this on premises. So cloud level, there are two components, Power BI Desktop, Power BI Service. Within the company level, you want to keep your data and you want to manage it. Three components available: report server desktop, report server, and report builder. So all these components I'm going to cover in the classes. Along with that, Power Apps understanding 2 hours I will cover. Power Apps, Power Automate understanding 2 hours I will cover. 2 hours. So this is what I'm going to cover in the next 2 months, so that your resume will have all the required things in the current market. After finishing this class, go to Naukri and verify. If any word coming out of this, let me know. Companies never ask only Power BI, and we need Power BI developers. They will write in the JD level multiple things. And the course is prepared, the content is prepared according to that. Next. So institute provides theory practical material. And the training is completely practical oriented except today. Today is a theoretical, but from tomorrow, everything practical. Till end of the classes. And you will be having good interaction with me. But how come, sir? WhatsApp group is created. There we will discuss everything. Especially questions, concerns, or you can call me in the given time. Resume preparation, I will explain you. Daily live class video you will get. And FAQ is also discussed in the classroom. FAQ material also provided. And my course is sufficient if you want to keep less than 5 years in Power BI and try as a Power BI developer. In Power BI, less than 5 years. Your total IT may be 10 years, 15 years, but Power BI level, more than 5, you cannot claim. Because modeling knowledge, designing knowledge, architecting knowledge, this you will not get below 5 years. And that too, by learning, you cannot get. When you work in a 1 or 2 projects end to end, then only you will get architecting level knowledge, designing or modeling level knowledge. So if you want to try as a Power BI developer, alone or combination less than 5 years, absolutely my course is suitable because complete depth of subject I'm giving. Each and every topic, every option I'm covering. So Power BI developer, and there's a language in Power BI called DAX. Sir, you said low code. The low code is because of this. If you don't have this language, it's a fully graphical component. Right click or drag and drop. Maximum options, right click and drag and drop. But some calculations we need to perform. For example, your company total you want to find out. Average you need to find out. Who will give you that formula? Do you think with right click you will get the total and average? Or you want to perform average first and then that value you want to add up to another value? Finally, you want division value. Who will do that? We need to do that. How do we do that? There should be some formula writing area, that is DAX. This is a simple formula language which is close to Excel. In Excel applications, we have a formula-based expression area. And whatever we write in the formula-based expression area level, the same formulas we write in DAX level. No coding. It's not a programming language, a formula language, a functional language. So if you want to add your business logics to your project, yes, compulsory you need to write it. But those are very simple to write. And it's close to 4th class mathematics. DAX language complexity, close to 4th class mathematics, that's it. And you can try as this, you can try as a support resource, in case Power BI support resource you want to try, or admin resource you want to try, or combination, MSBA, these components plus Power BI. You are an MSBA resource and you want to try in the combination. And you are a Tableau or ClickView resource, you want to try in the combination. Or you are having knowledge on this, try in the combination. Synapse Databricks, try in the combination. Please look at this. For the last 2 years, I'm giving the same screenshot to students. So, there is a reason why I highlighted this. Now, Microsoft given a new feature called Microsoft Fabric I don't know how many of you heard about it. Fabric, remember that. In the fabric level, all these are included now. All these are included. It is a single centric solution for your complete BA insights and data science. And this is April update. So not April, May update. The next market is Microsoft Fabric only. Don't worry, I will tell you what is Fabric, what it contains, everything. It is becoming very stronger, not normal, very stronger, Microsoft, in the analytics side as well as data science side, including AI features, artificial intelligence features. So these are the opportunities you can try. So what we provide, what I cover, this part is completed. Now I will move into demo part. Thank you. Stop me in case you are not able to understand the current content. So I'm going to explain this part now. Data to Power Platform to Microsoft Fabric. This complete evolution I'm going to give you. And the session stops at 11:10 a.m. sharply. From there, I will address your questions. So data, what is data? The basic one. To what is Power Platform? Power Platform to Fabric. The day before yesterday, one of our students appeared for an interview. In the interview, they asked the girl, have you heard about Fabric? She said, no. That's it. The interview cut the call. Simply they cut the call. She asked me, sir, what is Fabric? For the last 1 month, it is available. And she never heard about it. If she says, yes, I heard, at least fine. Microsoft boosting up like anything. And we are crazily running behind. We are crazily running behind movie updates, cricket updates, many updates, but not technology updates. But we are claiming 4 years of experience we have. And you're expecting more salary also. But you're not following the market. So that's the reason I'm adding Microsoft Fabric also as part of our demo, even the regular classes. All right, first I will start with the data and then IT application, IT applications to BA applications, BA applications to Power BI, Power BI to Power Platform to Fabric. This is a hierarchy I'm going to explain next 40 minutes. First, data. What is data? Anything you are able to store is called data. Online people, please don't write anything. I'll be giving these notes as well as video. In case you want to write it later. Just listen to it. If I type it, it will take a lot of time. Even you start writing, it will take a lot of time. Data, anything you are able to store is called data. Knowingly, unknowingly, we are working on all types of data. First one, structured data. Table formatted data. Excel table data, that is structured. Column by column available. Column by column. ID, name, age, degree, column by column available. So this is called structured data. Clear? Semi-structured. JSON, JavaScript object notation. XML, extensible markup language. These kind of files, data is semi-structured. Partly structured, not fully. Look at this. This is an XML file. XML file. University. Able to read, but the convention different. Student ID. One, okay. Name, age, degree. See some metadata added. This is called metadata. And this is actual data. One is data, John is data. So this kind of partially structured data is semi-structured. Unstructured, no structure. You are preparing a Word document. You're typing an email. Will you follow a structure? You're typing something in the WhatsApp, Insta level. Do you follow any structure? Unstructured. So social media data, WhatsApp data, Twitter data, these are all come under unstructured. So in the current IT, we are having three types of data: structured, semi-structured, unstructured. Point one. Point two, storages. This data companies maintain in two storages. One is file storage, second one, database. Any company you go, wherever you join, even your personal data, mostly in files only. Your resume or your any other information. In case more data you want to keep, will go to databases. That is storage. But what about storage area? So people keeping this data either in on-premises or either in the cloud. Now companies maintaining the files in the on-premises within their company servers, or they're purchasing cloud and placing in the cloud. And you are keeping your documents in the Google Drive. Google Drive is a cloud. So if you want to share frequently, you don't want to lose it, we will place in the Google Drive. It's a cloud. OneDrive is a cloud. Even Samsung, our Samsung is a cloud. So storage areas, two places, on-premises, cloud. So in this diagram, I explain how many types of data available, how many ways we keep the data, and how many places we keep the data. Next. So Power BI project level, you may work with any type of data, any format data, and on-premises cloud, both are available, both you may deal with in the projects level. Yes. In case you want to carry metadata information, themes, and longitude, latitude you want to maintain, and one report level, all pages require common color, common font, etc. Then semi-structured compulsory required. Semi-structured. Even recently, Tech Mahindra, the organization, they asked the same thing. I will show the opportunity. So we will see, don't worry. The semi-structured files we will see in the classroom. This is a recent opportunity, job opportunity. Look at this. Tech Mahindra, what exactly they asked. Power BI developer, Tech Mahindra. It is a screenshot of Naukri. Understanding business requirements, creation of dashboards and visual reports, visual interactive reports using Power BI, create relationships between data sources and develop data models accordingly, and design data models to transform raw data into meaningful insights. Power BI. Awareness of star schema, snowflake schema model, have good knowledge of various DAX functions. I told you. And should be able to connect various databases like Oracle, Azure Synapse, Web, and JSON. So this is unstructured data. This is semi-structured data. And they asked the candidate should be able to work on Power Apps. The candidate should be able to work on Power BI desktop and cloud. So whatever I explained in the last 5-10 minutes, the same thing are you able to find here? Yes? Right. So no problem. Next one. So data completed. Next, IT applications. So there are many types of IT applications, but importantly two. You started a business in your hometown. It is small city or small town. First of all, you will purchase one application which will help you to run the business, to keep the transactions. So those are called business running applications. You will approach an IT company, IT expert, or ask, so what type of IT application is suitable to keep my business transactions? Those are called business running applications. Technically, we call it as OLTP, online transaction processing applications. This is technical, online transaction processing, and this is logical, generic terminology which we use. Take irctc.co.in. That is a OLTP application. Bookmyshow.com. It's a OLTP application. And you are withdrawing cash, OLTP. Online bank transferring, OLTP. These are all transactional applications. Second thing, if you have many transactions and you want to analyze them easily, business analysis applications. Now we are coming to the actual part. So you will ask your same IT expert, okay, my business is running good. I have lots of volumes of data, but I want to analyze it easily. I want to analyze it easily. Then he will suggest you go to so-and-so business applications. So they will help you for your analysis. And those applications are called OLAP applications, online analytical processing applications, or some people call it as BI applications, business intelligence applications. So in IT industry, there are two types of applications. Majorly, one is running and second analysis. Now, next level, general public, or you are the person. How many ways you book the tickets? A train ticket or a movie ticket? First, you will go to the counter and book. That is desktop. Second, you will open the URL in the website. So you open the URL in your laptop browser or desktop browser and work on it. Web. Third one, mobile apps. For fastest booking nowadays, we prefer mobile. So general public use three platforms. These are called platforms. General public use three platforms to book their tickets. And while booking, you will find form and you will fill the form. Then only the ticket will be booked. At the end of the ticket booking, you will get two types of message. One, transaction successful. Second, transaction failed. Transaction successful, transaction failed. So general public use multiple platforms and they go to forms and type whatever they want to type or select whatever they select. And finally, they will get a message called transaction successful or failed. That's why these applications are called transactional applications. And mostly the data will be in the databases. This part is okay. So knowingly or unknowingly, you're working on this. Whether you're IT resource or non-IT resource, no matter, but you're working on the same process. But how the data looks like? When you book a movie ticket, a train ticket, then the information like this: your PNR number, your amount, number of passengers, starting date and end date, train number, etc. Column by column, it will place. For each booking, each customer booking, the information will be like this. Now, I'm the IRCTC management team. So what type of information I will expect? I always expect how many trains having full booking today, how many trains not having any booking, which area having highest demand of trains, which area having lowest demand of trains. This kind of information. And that information is intelligence information of the business. So we call it as BA information. And some people say analytical information. So few more say decision-making information. All indicate same. Decision-making, analytical, business intelligence, all indicate same. All indicate same. So this is the information. Train tickets, trains having highest booking, trains having lowest booking, and normal versus Tatkal, etc. But how come you show this information? Who you will show? You will show to management team, not the general public. And management team nowadays accessing through web, desktop, mobile. They're also asking, show me the report in the mobile level, or generate a report which is suitable for the mobile tab. Fastest decision making, quick decision making. So management also using same platforms. And the information, this kind of information. But The way you present is different. You will present in the form of report or dashboard. That is important. When you book a train ticket or movie ticket, you will get a form. But when you deliver the information to management team, you will deliver in the form of report or dashboard. They will see only report or dashboard. Got clarity? And you all guys showing interest to generate reports and dashboard from the data. That's why you're attending the demo. In case similar to Power BI, any BA component you learn, your objective is only one: making decision-making support for the end users or customers or management team. But you cannot do it directly. You follow a process called BA process or OLAP process. So this you will implement and this you will generate. That's it. Okay, what you are going to do? So you guys will take transactional data, business running data, use BA process, and generate reports or dashboard. This is about major two IT applications process. Now, BA applications, the second category. What is BA? Spelling mistake, ignore. Business intelligence, intelligence to the business, decision making to the business, or analysis of the business. And it is a process of converting normal data into decision making data. Simply, you will present the data in the form of visual or insight. Then what is visual? Visual is a graphically data display component. Insight is deep understanding of the visual data. Deep understanding of the visual data. So in the report level, in the dashboard level, the BA information presented using visuals and insights. Then what is report? What is dashboard? According to BA, your input is data. Output is a report or dashboard. In between, you implement a process, BA process. So I will explain BA process in few minutes. So far, we are done with input about data. Now I'm going to explain output. After 2 minutes, I will explain BA process. So input, output first, and then intermediate process. Then what is report? Report talks about detailed understanding of data. Anything you want to show in detail, go to report. And report contain many visuals and broader visuals. And report talks about an operation in a total business area, single operation. Cash withdraw, one report. Cash deposit, one report. Online transfer, one report. So these are all reports, but these are all related to savings subject area, savings account subject area, and you want to show in a single place, then dashboard. So dashboard contain high level data, a specific subject area data, complete savings account data in a single area, complete current account data in a single area. And dashboard contain a single view with multiple pages. And dashboards are always in the company level limited. Reports are multiple, dashboards are limited. So once you join in a company, you will work on reports, multiple reports, but dashboards are always limited. In my previous company, we were having around 170 reports, 170, and dashboards are only four dashboards and 170 reports. Dashboard for high level data are multiple reports, consolidated data, and report is individual operational data. Got clarity? So you will generate either report or dashboard for your business operations. But how do we generate? That is the next point. So from here, we are going to derive something else. Kindly focus. So general public, platforms, transactional data, management team, platforms, BA data. These two I already explained. But in between, we have a process called BA process. This is a BA process given in early 90s. Till 90s, we don't have proper BA process. For the last 30 years only, we are having BA process. According to scientists, take your daily data and maintain in a huge storage area. This is a second layer. And taking is the first layer. This is the first layer. Technically, this is called ETL layer. E for extract, bring the data. If it requires some changes, transform the data. You want to move, load the data because you need to move to a storage area, so load. So ETL is a process required to bring, transform, and load to huge storage area. Yes, daily you're getting the data. And years data you want to maintain. Increment the data, you want to increment the data for decision making. So we need a warehouse. Assume last 3 years data you want to analyze. How do you do that? Unless you maintain a huge storage area, you can't do that. So this is a data go down. Data go down. But we don't use complete data go down data for our analysis. So only required data we will take and analyze it. So that comes under analytics area or semantic area, third layer. We'll take specific data and we'll add specific aggregate analytical information. Please see the word aggregate analytical. Sum, average, minimum, maximum, those are called aggregate. Analytical, rank, top, bottom, those come under analytical. So required data we will take and add aggregate analytical information so that in the reporting level, there's a fourth area. We can easily present visuals and insights in this area. And this information given to the management team for analysis. So scientists suggested 4 layers for a better decision-making system. First one, data gathering. This is data gathering. This is data storage. And this is specific data storage. This is presentation, 4 layers. But 90 to 2000, it was difficult to implement because if you want to take compulsory one tool, you need to take like this ETL tool, one warehouse you need to take, one reporting component you need to take, semantic component, one reporting. So multiple tools required, multiple resources required, multiple setups required, multiple installations required, multiple maintenance layers required. But still, top companies never compromised. So Bank of America, Citigroup, Walmart, you take, since 90, they are having this process. But small, medium companies, they're scared to use this approach. They're scared because too costly, multiple people, multiple tools, multiple setups. That time Microsoft decided, why don't we give a beautiful component which will do end-to-end process? Yes, that is MSBA. Now we came to a component, BA component, MSBA. This is BA process, multiple tools required in case you want to implement. But if you go to MSBA, MSBA is a single suite. Suite always contain multiple components. So MSBA suite having first tool, SSIS, SQL Server Integration Services. Second tool, Analysis Services, SQL Server Analysis Services. Third one, SSRS, Reporting Services, and a few more. But these are the 3 tools available, major tools to perform end-to-end process. So the first tool is participating in this area, second tool participating in this area, third tool participating in this area. That's why MSBA is called self-service BA suite. It is a suite with multiple tools to perform end-to-end process. Getting clarity? So 2005. In 2005, though they released, but especially top companies not satisfied with the features. Small, medium, they use like anything, but top companies not satisfied. So Microsoft took 3 years of time. 3 years of time, they released 2008. Sir, do I need to learn about MSBA? No need, but at least the basic understanding is required. What is MSBA? If you go to interview, there may be a question. When Microsoft having MSBA, what is the need of Power BI? Then how do you answer? You cannot say, no, I directly worked on Power BI. It is your responsibility to know what is MSBA because that's the first BA from Microsoft. If you don't know the loopholes of MSBA, then how come you implement wonderfully Power BI? So there should not be any gap in your learning. So first learn about MSBA, not course, what it is, what it has, what are the drawbacks. Why Microsoft doesn't Power BI? No company will give a separate component in the same area unless there are drastic changes, drastic modifications. If there's a small update, probably they will give in the next version of MSBA. Yes, this is the version we modified it. But Power BI is separately available beside MSBA. There should be some reason, right? That I'm going to explain. Focus. So MSBA 2005, and these are all the versions. 8 release 2, 12, 14, 16, 17, 19, 22. These are all MSBA versions. One version to another version, 2 to 3 years gap. And from 2008, Microsoft is the leader. That is the most important point to remember. In the analytics and BI, Microsoft is the leader for the last 16 years. No competitor to Microsoft in analytics and BI. For the last 16 years, Microsoft is the leader in analytics and BI. Sir, how come I believe? Don't worry. I'll show you the links. Please see. So Microsoft Power BI blog, that's okay. Microsoft named a leader in 2022 Gartner Magic Quadrant for Analytics and BI. Today, we are announcing that 15th consecutive year, this is 2022 link. Microsoft has been positioned as a leader. How come, sir? For the last 15 years, it is available. And it is available as a leader because of MSBA. MSBA brought the leadership, now Power BI continuing it. So if you're expecting a wonderful growth or career in Microsoft side, BA side, Microsoft definitely they will give you. They did not mention anywhere Power BI or MSBA. It is just Microsoft. Got clarity? And I'll show you the market. This is a little old market link. Latest one I forgot to collect and place. See, by 2021, what was the market? Power BI jobs demand grows as it dominates market share. In 2021, 36% market share it was having. It was holding 36% of market share, not a normal. 21. 22, it was 42%. That means out of 100 projects in BI, 42% is of projects in Power BI. I'm talking about only Power BI. So they clearly mention here, if you see this. I'm going to give you the link as well. Please open the link and see the details. Don't ask anyone. Don't ask your friend or colleague or anyone, unless they are having very good knowledge about market. Market is different, subject learning is different. This will give you exact statistics. So go to the links and see. So Gartner Magic Quadrant, they said he is a leader, being a leader. And market share, 36% in 21 I'm talking about. Tableau. Now it is 42%. So out of 100 projects, 42% projects in Power BI. Your friend might tell you, hey, Power BI no calls, or so-and-so no call. That is a different story. Market and up and downs are common, but market share is more. Do you think it will go down or fell down? It never happens. Already companies have seen many BI tools. From there, they came to Power BI. They will not go immediately back. It's not a soap in our bathroom. Okay, this one I don't like, I will move it to another one. For the last 30 years, BA tools available. But how come it got 42%? Because of its features, flexibility, cost, implementation, many more things. That you need to learn, that you need to know. Right. So I'll be sharing the links. Please go through that. Again, you can ask me a question. Sir, Microsoft got leadership because of MSBA and that of 8 onwards. Then why Power BI? Yes? Now I'm coming to your answer. Why was Power BI created when MSBA already exists? Only one reason. MSBA architecture, remember MSBA architecture, MSBA design purely before 2004 IT market. Before 2004 IT market. So no cloud. 2006 onwards cloud available in the market. 2004 Facebook released or announced. 2008 mobile and tab apps available. So there is a drastic change in IT industry after 2005 and Microsoft missed it. So MSBA purely for on-premises solution, no cloud. Nowadays less support it provides. That's a different story, but purely on-premises solution. It is a suite of multiple tools. No mobile and tab friendly. MSBA cannot work with unstructured data, semi-structured data. And you want to place MSBA report in a Facebook, Twitter and all, not possible. Nowadays, all companies showing their data in the social media also. The reports, not possible. And MSBA require average coding, not low coding, average coding required. And the visuals, the insights are very less in MSBA because current market level people looking forward for crazy visuals, not available. And every 2 to 3 years, there is change in the version. So these are all the drawbacks. So Microsoft decided, why don't we give a new component where it continuously traces the market, And in a single application level, we do end-to-end BA process. Cloud support is there, mobile support is there, and easy placing in another applications, etc. That is Power BI. So Power BI is powering BI. Powering BI, adding more power to existing BI. So the existing BI is MSBA. For MSBA, more power is added. So what type of power? Cloud available, on-premises available. Full support to mobile applications. All types of data loading possible. Easily you can place in Facebook, Twitter, etc. area. And low code, you need not write much code. Many report visuals available. And on top of all, the most wonderful feature, monthly update. Every month you will get an update. In that update, you will find new features. Or you find changes to existing features, many more. Microsoft maintaining a rich set of scientists. First time they are maintaining a rich set of scientists who track IT market and give the updates immediately. So these are all the features which make Power BI stronger in the market. And no need of multiple tools like MSBA. Single application sufficient. MSBA is a suite. Self-service BA is suite. But Power BI, self-service BA application. Self-service. So what it has? 3 major tools. And coming to this single application, 3 major concepts. First one, see this. Power Query. Power Query we use in this area. Power Pivot we use in this area. Power View and Map we use in this area. This is a concept 1, and this is concept 2, and this is concept 3. 3 concepts in these areas to perform end-to-end process. So this is a difference. One application having end-to-end support. Is it beautiful or not? Yes. And that operation I will show you tomorrow anyway practically, then you will realize it. Once you do practically, then you will understand much more better. And the people who are new to IT, don't feel panic. Daily we come across same technology. After 3-4 days, you feel very bored. Then you'll ask me, sir, tell me something different. First day you're entering into this, so you may feel confused. Okay, what is BA? What is Insight? What is so and so? But daily we are going to do the same. So you feel very bored after 3-4 days. That's the reason I asked you at the beginning of our class, go through the document today, so that tomorrow it will be easy for you. Tomorrow, while I'm giving a recap, you feel very bored. Believe me, if you read the document today, tomorrow morning you'll tell me the same. Sir, it is very bored. Tell me something new. Right, sir. So you understood MSBA, Power BI. Now the next one. Power BI announced in July 2013. Every month we are having update. Till this month we are having update. Sir, very well I see. And do I need to remember all the updates? No need. No one will remember all the updates. Don't worry. But where do we see? I will open it. The same previous link, come down. Same previous link, June 2023. Month-wise updates available. Beginning year, July 2013. From this month, every month, we are having update in Power BI. This is the strength of Power BI. It's showing to the market. We are tracking the IT. We are running behind cutting edge technologies and process and implementing immediately. Right, okay. And with the given spirit of Power BI, Microsoft decided to add similar components. So what exactly Power BI will do? Power BI is a self-service BI application with low code, generate report and dashboard. So if you want to say about Power BI, it's a low code, self-service BI application, which will generate reports and dashboards. Understood? But why the name Power BI? Because it is having more features than the existing BI of Microsoft. That's why Power BI. MS BI, Microsoft BI, Power BI, more features added to the existing BI. Now, with the given spirit of Power BI low code, Microsoft given set of components and released a platform, Power Platform. So this is for reports and dashboards. It's a low code for reports and dashboards. Power Apps, it's a low code to develop mobile and tab friendly apps. Power Automate, it's a low code to perform RPA, robotic process automation. Virtual Agent, low code, intelligent chatbots. When you open a website or a mobile app, right hand side, you will find one image. How may I assist you? I type your query here. That is called chatbot. Those you want to create without writing much code possible. And we are using many apps in the mobile. Those you want to create without writing much code possible. That is Power Apps. You want to create your company website, company web pages easily without writing code, then go to Power Pages. So these are the 5 components available in the Power Platform, and Power Platform introduced in 2019. So here the history is 2013 to 2019, Power BI alone, working people and the people who wants to get good knowledge, remember this point, 13 to 19 Power BI alone, and 19 onwards, it is under Power Platform. Power Platform. Again, there is a problem. Last year, many companies asked Microsoft, these are all independent services. Apps will generate apps only. It will do automated process. It will create chatbots, and it will go for Power Pages, different. But how come a analytics process or data science process or artificial intelligence process will implement? These are not suitable. So Microsoft decided, no. These components are not suitable for pure analytics projects, data science project, and AI project. So they decided to give a new component, that is Microsoft Fabric. Here you are having data loading tools, data presentation tools, that is Power BI, data maintenance tools, and data governance tools, Synapse Analytics, etc. Even data modeling also we do. Data scientist tools. Etc. So this all combination is called Microsoft Fabric, and data presentation level Power BI. And here Synapse, data loading level Azure Data Factory, ADF, cloud level. Many more. And this Fabric is artificial intelligence Power Platform solution for data analytics and data science. So if anyone wants to enter into data science, yes, through Fabric, happily you can enter. Earlier only data analysis, right now data science side also you can enter. Got clarity? So these are all tools. Even we are going to start a new course, Microsoft Fabric course, after 3 months by covering these components. Our course, we are going to redesign. Our course pattern also we are going to redesign according to this. Then only we can catch the market. I will close in 2 minutes. Wait for a moment. Microsoft Fabric. Data analytics. Bring your data into the era of AI. Microsoft becoming very stronger. All your data, all your teams, all in one place. Power BI just doing report generation, dashboard generation. But what about data loading, data modeling, data science operations? This. So Synapse, Power BI, Data Factory, Data Activator. This is a data governance tool, data monitoring tool, simply monitoring tool. Here we maintain the data. Here we generate the report or dashboard. Here we load the data. Don't worry, each and every word I will give you clearly. That time you will understand. This is data monitoring. This combination is Microsoft Fabric. Very fresh feature. So as I said, data to Power Platform to Fabric I given. This is in 2019. Data to Power BI in 2013. Power BI to Power Platform, and this one May 2023. And how do we conclude MSBI? Before closing, a low code self-service BI suite with multiple tools to perform end-to-end BI process and generate reports or dashboards. What about Power BI? Powering BI. or adding more power to BA. So same thing, guys. Same. It's not a low code. A low code self-service BA application with multiple with cloud and on-premises support. End-to-end BA process implement. Got clarity? So low code is the one word, cloud and on-premises is another word, multiple concepts. For generating reports and dashboards, or to generate reports and dashboards. And what is Power Platform? A low code platform with multiple tools. What is Microsoft Fabric? An artificial intelligence solution for central storage, data governance, and reporting area. That's it. These are 4 important words you need to know. You learned all. So I'm successfully done with my part. I said this is a part I'm going to cover. Data, types of data, storage, types of storage, IT applications, BA applications, MS BA versus Power BA, Azure BA not covered, how Microsoft is a leader, Power BI versus modern BA, Power BI components, high level only covered. And tomorrow, second demo, this is a part I'm going to cover. And what exactly I'm covering in the next 2 months, I explain here. What exactly Institute provides also explain. So data to IT application, IT to BA application, BA to Power BI, Power BI to platform, platform to Fabric. So this is the part I explained. The same thing you will find in your materials, kindly go through. So newcomers and non-IT people, don't feel panic. You will understand everything clearly in the regular class. I'm done from my side. Now, if you have any questions, kindly take your mic and ask. And the people who are not provided email address and mobile number, kindly provide your email address and mobile number in the chat room.